Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to show battery percentage on status bar in Qnet Mobile C32. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your Qnet Mobile C32 and settings, go to battery. On battery, you can see the power management section and you can see the battery percentage. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, if this turn on, okay, you have to turn on the switch button, show battery percentage on status bar. Okay, if this turn on, you can see the percent of battery on status bar. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully show battery percentage on status bar in Qnet Mobile C32. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.